Hi there, you lovely fly fishing maniacs. My name is Ken Persson, co-founder of Sameo Sweden. Today I had the plan to do a video about floatant. I have to wait because yesterday I got these two bad boys. And we're gonna unpack and I'm gonna show you something really new from Sameo. The latest addition in the Sameo reel family, and we continue on the theme of birds of prey. This is named the Raptor, and this is the first time I show it. It has a nice, really nice neoprene pouch, and here it is. This is the number 3 to 6. Very light. I think this is about 120 grams or something like that. I'm gonna check. I know that this one is 134 grams, and that is the 6.8. Big arbor, nice anodization. It has see here, it has a center screw to keep it really tight. Nice anodized aluminum plate with a roll-on brake. It's very easy to change the direction of retrieve. You just take away the fork here and you take out the ball bearing, one-way bearing. Flip it over 180 degrees and back again. So easy. Back. So you don't need any tools to change the direction of retrieve. It takes you a couple of seconds like this. Easy. Just put it back. And now we have it in the right retrieve direction. Very easy, very easy. They look so nice. You have the S of the Sameo, and that is one of the things I really wanted to get back to. This is from heritage from the old Pandion reel. Love it. Same thing, center screwed. Absolutely no play at all. It's so tight. It's so smooth. We don't have any sound of the retrieve, but there's a small click of the brake. You hear? So this is the first time I show this, and they are up on Flugor.se shop, so you can actually go in and order one immediately. Price is great. See, for this one it's 699 Swedish krona. For this one, the big one, the 6.8, 799. And that is what we are proud of. We do really high quality products, but for a fair price. And I think this is gonna be a hit in the summer.
Thanks for watching. And as usual, if you want to see more videos like this one, click on the subscribe button. See ya!